Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be teaching you guys about natural resources, renewable resources, and non-renewable resources. Let's go. So let's start off with the renewable side. So I did green because it's good for the environment and it doesn't really do all that much damage, really. But the non-renewable side is red because it's bad for the environment and you can only use it once. So you use it like, let's say, gasoline. That's non-renewable because you use it in your car or wherever and then you can't use it again. But for renewable, you can use it multiple times, like water. It's always there. Like, let's say you drink a cup of water. Will you get more water? Yes, for now at least. And it was made by me, Daniel. And if you didn't know, my name is Daniel. Okay, so let's start off with the renewable side. So, I drew a picture for each and also wrote some information on the other index card. So, the sun, right? What do you think this is? Well, it is solar energy. People use solar panels to generate electricity. This happens by the sun's rays are turned into electricity in the solar panels. And this is the sun. Now, moving on to the next one, it is wind energy. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical power. A generator can convert mechanical power into electricity. I drew 3 wind turbines that are yellow, red, and orange, and there are a bunch of arrows because the wind is very strong and the wind turbines are turning really fast to generate that mechanical power. Hydroelectric. Hydroelectric energy is basically when a dam is used to control river flow and regulate flooding. The force of the river causes mechanical energy when it flows through the dam. Then a generator can turn into that mechanical energy into electricity. So the green is supposed to it means, you can see right there, it means that it is the land because there is a road that goes along here. And then this is water right here. And then this is water too coming out. And that is it. Next up is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy, it is energy made by heat inside the Earth's crust. Since it is about the same temperature year-round, when it is winter, people can use geothermal energy to heat people. And that is shown in the picture right here. This is a factory. And it is cold outside, so the cold air is going inside the pipes through here, and then it gets warmer and warmer. And then here comes out heat for the inside of this factory. So it's nice and toasty inside. But let's say it's summertime and it's really hot outside. Then the hot air would go out, come inside the tube, and since it's about a little bit chilly, it can be used to AC basically comes out, but it's just coming from the earth and it's a little bit colder. Not super duper cold though. Okay, now let's move on to the other side. And the other side is non-renewable energy. The first non-renewable example is nuclear energy. Nuclear power is the use of nuclear reactions that release nuclear energy to generate heat, which most frequently is then used in steam turbines to produce electricity in nuclear power plants. The red stands for atomic nucleus. So I drew the nuclear sign here. And again, the red stands for atomic nucleus, if you're wondering. And it's basically like 6 ovals. There it is. And next up is oil. Oil energy. Oil is most commonly used in generating electricity and as a fuel in vehicles. Oil is burnt to run steam turbines to produce electricity. So what I drew here is oil canisters filled with oil, and there's a caution sign because it is flammable. And there you can see, right there you can see like the cool look it has. Like it's kind of black, like the canister, but it kind of isn't. I did that with like a black, I think, and I shaded it really lightly. So if you're wondering how I made that color, it's that shading black colored pencil. Next up is coal energy. Coal energy, a black or brown rock found in underground deposits and commonly used as fuel. If you burn coal, it will become energy when mixed with oxygen and steam at high pressures. So what I drew here is a train cart that carries around coal for the locomotive. And it is full of coal for the locomotive's engine to use. And the train is purple. And the number is 28 because it's my lucky number. So I said, why not use it? And I did. So there you can see it, 28. Next up is natural gas energy. Natural gas is a hydrocarbon source of energy for heating, cooking, and electricity. It can also be used as a fuel for vehicles. So here I drew natural gas, which is these like blue flames. Yes, it is blue. And there are 2 pots. Well, this is a pot right here. And this is a pan. And a green oven. And there's a bunch of different switches for the temperature and other stuff. And just like as the oil, I used the oil canister color. I did that for the same right here. Right here. And right here. And oh, you can't forget this spot right here for like the glass look, but it's also tinted. And you can kind of see like darker spots too. And that's how it was made. Shaded color pencil. I think it was black if I remember correctly. So, and this was made by me, Daniel, if you didn't already hear that. So, this was it. Natural resources, renewable and non-renewable. And I hope to see you guys later in the next video that is always coming on the way. And until next time, you know what you do. Stay awesome and stay tuned for the next video that is always coming on the way. Bye, guys!